Hi friends, this video is all about a high probability scenario when an ABCD pattern becomes more effective. A high probability scenario when an ABCD pattern becomes more effective. The probability of an ABCD pattern turning out to be a winner is pretty high when the completion of the D point happens on a support or resistance level. Once again, the probability of an ABCD pattern turning out a winner is pretty high when the completion of the D point in a ABCD pattern happens on a support or resistance level. Let me explain this to you graphically. Imagine we have an ABCD pattern in process with this being our AB leg, BC leg, and the CD leg is in process. This our imaginary resistance level and this our imaginary support level. A high probability ABCD winner is when the CD leg completes at or very near to this support level. The D point in this CD leg completes at or near to our support level. Okay. Same is true with bullish ABCD high probability setup. On a bullish ABCD high probability setup, our D completion point will be at or near to a resistance level. Let me show you how a bullish ABCD setup might look like. This would be our AB leg, BC leg, and our CD leg. This would be our A, B, C, and this completion point will be our D point. sorry, over the point. Now let me just show you how the setup looks like on real charts. This is a bullish ABCD high probability setup. This is our AB leg, BC leg, and our CD leg completes at a strong level of resistance. This resistance level here is a pretty strong one, and our CD, the D completion point on this CD leg is approximately at that strong level of resistance. And as you could see here, from there it made a lower low closing and pushed lower into this level of support.